Hi, we're going to try a little magic editing here. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to show how to take magic within a hierarchy and sort of stack them together. So I got a simple inverter um, that I have here, and what I want to do is I want to use that in a new layout. I can call it anything. Let's call it Gun D. And I'm going to just pick a location somewhere over here. So I just left mouse click, right mouse click, and that creates a little crosshair. And remember, it's a very good idea to keep your text menu very close to your GUI menu so that you can see what you're actually typing. So you say get cell, INV, and then what they'll do is it'll place that INV that's right there. So what happens a lot of times is that you want to use this hierarchy and you would like to use it so that you could stack them vertically. And so what that really means is that the VDD here would be for, let's say, a VDD on top of it. Now, if you put another cell on top of this, the ground's going to be there and you'll have a short. So what you would like to do is sort of flip the value up here. And so I'll show you how to do it. So I'll just left mouse button, right at that corner, and I'll say get cell INV. And you can see that both of them there. It shows that there's an actual error that's right there, and that's true because the metal's too close. So what I like to do is I like to flip this one. And remember that you can type X to show things and Shift X to turn it away. So I believe the command is upside down. So that flips it, and you can see X. Now the VDD is on the bottom, and the VDD is on the top here. So I'll unhide it, or I'll hide it, I'm sorry. I'll hit the A key, which highlights it, and then I'll use my mouse, not my mouse, but the Q, W, E, R keys to move this downwards. And so hopefully that they'll be touching in some way. And so you can see they're not, so I have to unhide it and then kind of move it downwards until they're on top of each other. And there's an error here because they have large substrate contacts in the top one. And I could I could have reduced the size here, or what I also could have done is if I want to keep that substrate contact, I'll unhide it and I'll move it upwards until there's no problem, and then I'll just paint a piece of metal between the two. So now you can see that they're connected in one contiguous element. This would create a rail for this one that's right here. So I could paint, and I'm not eyeballing this, so I could paint some metal there that would create a whole bunch of rail for this one, a rail for that one. And so it's a really good idea to show you how to do this. Again, you would do the same thing for ground on the bottom one, and then you could stack them any way that you want based on your floor planning of your stick diagram. So I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day.